Empress Yahtoweh, and this is my way, nature's walk. Take a walk with me. We're in Ochi, Rios, and we're at the ruins. Already I like the energy, the rustic vibe, the natural vibe, you know, the ambience. Just walking in, I'm already feeling the ambience and nature calling me and hugging me. Come on, let's see what's inside.
All natural.
Wow! I've been to Ochi many times, and I've walked past this location many times because my favorite spot is just down here off the road. But luckily we come across this gentleman who will take us inside and show us. And I didn't plan to swim or anything, but I have to get wet. Let's go! This water is so amazing. Not disgusting.
Mineral water. This can be
Water
drinking.
is mineral water.
Yes,
This one?
this comes out of the earth. This can be drinking. This doesn't flow from here. You can drink it from here, but you don't write it in from here. Let me show you. Very international. Show you. Walk on this. This is it. Out of the box. So straight down there. Living mineral. Wonderful. We're doing some, we're going to do some refurbishment this time.
I was going to try.
It's good.
I am.
That's the same one end up in the cold one. Run right through the tank. No chlorine at that. That we drink. Yeah, man, we want to sell it, but we don't really sell it. We supply the whole shop at TV.
For providing such wonderful things in nature for you.
You walk here, you step, right up on the step, and head up on the bridge. I'll come back.
Thank you. Have you ever been on a journey and it seems like it's a journey that you have taken before, but an ancient one? Well, as I touch these steps, I kind of feel like I'm going on one of those ancient journeys, and I'm glad to share it with you. Architecture that you no longer see. And of course, the falls is beautiful from up here. To get too far, dude. couldn't resist it. Amazing. Nature's paradise. I Jamaica with there now. But guess what? Happen now. We're there at Jamaica and look how the place looks and beautiful. How many Jamaicans are enjoying this beauty? How many Jamaicans that work so hard, toiling every day, really take the time to enjoy a piece of the paradise that they help to build. Come on, Jamaica, you work hard, time to play hard and enjoy the paradise. Thank you. Yes, this is how we do it. This is Empress Yahtoweh's Nature Walk. Keeping it natural.
Hi, Jamaica and the entire globe. This is Oracle Zao, and you're watching Empress Yahtoweh Nature's Walk. Oracle Zao on the move. I tell you that. Yahtoweh Nature's Walk.
So here we are again. Really the thought and the idea behind Nature's Walk is to share Empress Yahtoweh's lifestyle. Empress Yahtoweh loves nature. She draws a lot of inspiration from nature, especially when it's raw and natural. And right here at the ruins, I feel that raw, natural nature hugging me, embracing me. So if ever you feel stressed, need some time to relax, need to give your mind some space, check out the ruins and do your own nature walk. Thank you. Thanks for staying with us. Old Harbour, Clarendon, Portmore, St. Catherine, whole of Jamaica, the whole of Africa, the whole of, the whole world. Thank you for staying with us. I hope you enjoyed Empress Yahtoweh's Nature Walk. Blessed love. Hi, this is Empress Yahtoweh and you're in tune to Empress Yahtoweh's Nature's Walk. Stay tuned for my brand new video, Cricket Cricket for Me. Yeah, yeah. Say why don't you cricket cricket? Why don't you cricket cricket? Why don't you cricket cricket? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna sing. Yeah. You make me wanna sing. Yeah. You make me wanna sing. Yeah. Your love and joy you bring. Say why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna jump. 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 Say why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Broke down the wicket. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. Your love and joy you bring. Say why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna skip. 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 Say why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. Your love and joy you bring. Say why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna dance. You make me wanna dance. You make me wanna dance. You make me wanna prance. Say why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Why don't you cricket? Broke down the wicket. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. Your love and joy you bring. Say why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket? You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. Your love and joy you bring. Say why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket for me? Why don't you cricket? Hey, this is your real Empress Yahtoweh. I said I guess them never know when them see I and I locks a grow. Hey, I guess them never know. Say I real Empress they are so. I guess them never know when them see I and I rocks a grow. Never know. Say I real Empress they are so. Stay tuned. Balance. Yahtoweh say balance. Yahtoweh say balance. Yahtoweh say balance. Behind every great man is a powerful woman. Your mother, your sister, your auntie Susan.
Respect, you know. One love. Create anything, you know. Always do them, always from my youth, I start with them thing a long time, you know. So, you know, this is nice. And we create anything.
We are mama, say we are mama Africa, we are mama, say we are mama Africa, we are mama, say we are mama Africa, we are mama, mama Africa. Them a go like them no want big up the woman day. Them a go like them no want crown the Empress day. Them a go like them no want uplift the woman day. Them not follow Selassie teaching. Them a go like them no want big up the woman day.
You know, one love for everybody. Yeah, man, and straight. So you don't know. One love same way. Bless.
mother, your sister, your auntie Susan. You know fi hesitate, fi big up no woman with your love and protection. She gives inspiration. Say we are mama, say we are mama Africa, we are mama. 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 Say we are.
Just sitting there, and it personally drew my attention. And what it said to me was, this is an artist that adores
Ladies, yeah,
women,
man.
females.
Yeah, man,
Could you
respect.
tell me where that is?
Well, you know what, I mean, you have to be artistic. You have to say, you have to be artistic. You know, ladies are special, you know, and you have to be in different, you know, creativity. We have to just do different things always, because artists, some artists do like landscape, some people do like scenery, you know, but you know, we have to do my thing, we have to create a different side, you know, so that's what we do. So, you know, this is our thing. And only me alone, because my brother named Jackson, so we all have different type of art. We want to sell Jamaica, we sell different worldwide, you know, so we have to take our own time and build up, you know. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Say we are mama Africa, we are mama. Say we are mama Africa, we are mama. Say we are mama. No darkness could have never hide.